My favorite holiday drink, cremas. I'm Haitian like that. You know, people be giving coquito, and you know, respect, all the respect
It don't
to
hit the
my
same.
Puerto Ricans.
I don't even need to hit. I don't even need to say no respect.
To my sisters and my brothers, to my hermanas. You feel me? But I can't. Cremas is thick. It's rich. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
It's smooth.
Yeah.
Coquitos be like hit and miss depending on who makes it.
Yeah.
And it be too watery. It be giving Baileys and alcohol. You know what I mean? Like Baileys and vodka on ice. That's what it be tasting like sometimes. You know what I mean? No, but there's some good people that make good coquitos though.
I have.
You know what I mean?
I haven't
like
had
they gotta
one.
be somebody's like auntie, mother,
that's
grandmother.
That's motherland though. That's
you know what I mean? But I've had some good coquito. But cremas, oh my god.
Yeah.
Pues, yeah, boy, like it make your insides warm.
It really do.
It's nice.
It really do.
Coquito make you cold.